Hey, what is up guys? Welcome back to another video. So today I'm actually going to be talking about why you should start phone flipping. If you don't know what phone flipping is, basically you're going to buy phones cheap and sell them high either on your local marketplace or eBay. This is something I'm trying to preach on my channel and give you guys all the knowledge of how to do and where you should avoid the mistakes that I have made. So with that said, let's get into the video. So basically today I have 4 advantages for phone flipping that you guys, even if you've started, you might not know that you're actually kind of gaining from these advantages, or if you haven't started, why you should be starting to phone flip. So the first thing is you gain a lot of sales experience. Honestly, in my opinion, being at college and having the kind of, I've worked in fast food kind of my whole life growing up just because I was young and that's the only thing I could get. You're not going to get a better sales experience like this. You're basically running your own business, which again, if this is something you're looking for, it can be a resume item. And personally, I'll be honest with you guys, this is on my resume simply because it does say a lot about me. And in today's world, there's a lot of candidates out there. We're in a great job market right now. So actually trying to separate yourself from the next guy, something like this is definitely a topic that can take up your interview time. And I have seen it. Obviously, I'm about to graduate college. I've been interviewing nonstop for the past year for a full-time job. But the amount of sales experience you're getting from this, you're getting marketing, you're getting sales, you're getting customer service, pretty much anything from beginning of building a business to the end you're gaining, which is pretty nice. So the second point is actually meeting a lot of cool people. Obviously you're going to meet sketchy people along the way, but with that said, on the other end of the spectrum, you're actually going to meet a lot of different characters, I like to say. I've had a lot of people talk to me in terms of personality and talking about like kind of my daily life, how I run this business. And a lot of people are actually interested in this business model, and I have preached it. I don't mind if other people in this town get into this solely because they're never going to know. I honestly don't think they'll know more than I do about the phone flipping industry. Maybe if they watch my videos, but it's something I promote. I mean, it's an easy way to make money. I'm just a college kid. I'm not going to be doing this forever, but if I can help somebody else make an extra $50 to feed their family or another $100 to go to the bars, whatever they want to do with it, I'm willing to help people. It's kind of how I want to live my life. I want to run my own business in the sense that I want to use it to help other people. So I've met a lot of cool people, met a lot of people that were interested in it. I've met people that are interested in me. I've had one person actually look at hiring me for a full-time offer. After, it's something I'm not going to take, but it's definitely a humbling experience simply because they saw how professional I was, how much I knew about it, and how good I was at sales when actually meeting with this buyer, because he was actually trying to sell me their phone. But third point is actually making money, and for me, this is just a side income. It isn't. I don't necessarily have a full income because I'm just a student, but this is something I can definitely supplement and have some fun with. I am a college student. I like to go out and have fun, so this money can be used for me. If you're full-time, no matter what age you are, maybe you're full-time, part-time, this is definitely something you can make an extra $400 a day easily doing. If you put in the work, obviously, that might take a little bit more time, but you can honestly make $100 a day doing 20 minutes of work if you get good at it, obviously, and watching my videos, looking up on the internet and tips and tricks of the phone flipping industry. But if maybe this can become a full-time income for you. I don't know what point you guys are in actually phone flipping and actually running your business, but a lot of people always say it's never easy to make money, but this is something, like I always believe that too, but this is something, if you put in yeah, you need to learn some stuff. There is a lot of ways you can get scammed and lose your money in this industry, but there's kind of a limit of things that can go wrong with phones, and if you know all those limits, and obviously you'll make those mistakes like I have. I pretty much made every single one of them at some point. Now I know not to make it twice, and there really is no chance for me to lose money in the future on this industry as long as I'm following like legal procedures and I have bill of sales and stuff like that. But again, making money is very easy with this business model. I hope you guys can see that, and if you're having trouble right now, don't get frustrated. I'm always here to answer your questions, and you learn from those mistakes. Again, don't let a mistake kind of cost you more than the actual loss of the phone. Make up that loss of the phone with the knowledge you gain from actually making the mistake. You're going to learn from it, and hopefully you won't make it again, and then you're going to just make money from now on. And the fourth and final point is this doesn't take a lot of time. I always preach this kind of industry as something, not many people do it full time, and I don't expect you to, because obviously I wouldn't recommend it simply because the phone flipping industry is kind of seasonal in that sense, but it doesn't take a lot of your time. If you're working a 9-to-5 job, this is a very easy way to, maybe you're paying rent with the money, maybe you're helping child support, maybe you're looking to have money to go out with your friends on the weekends, whatever it may be. It doesn't really matter what your reason is, but it is a great way to make extra money. It literally only can take you 30 minutes a day to take care of this. If you're putting ads up, people are coming to you, you know exactly what the prices are you're trying to buy phones for and what you're going to sell them for on eBay. You know the profit beforehand. It's a great way, and I really want to spread the message of how this is a humbling experience for me, and it can be for you. Even if this is something you just try for 5-6 months, go for it. You're probably going to make an extra couple $1,000s. And this thing isn't going anywhere. That's a nice part about this business model. Phones are always going to be in existence for the future of pretty much mankind, or at least our generation, because it's kind of like what we rely on as a human being. So people always looking for the new and the best thing. It's just human behavior. And with that said, most people, they probably have older phones. They're going to be looking to sell them, and we want to be the people in front of them. So with that said, I hope you guys found value in this video. I didn't really give you guys any tips or anything, but it's just kind of something I wanted to talk about, be a little bit more personal on this channel with, rather than just how-to and stuff like that. Kind of give you guys a perspective of why I promote this, and kind of give you guys a good feeling of why you're doing this and to help motivate you. So with that said, if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to join the family. If you're not in the Facebook group, I have a link down below, Phone Flipping Mastermind, starting this Monday. And also follow the Instagram 1-minute videos. And with that said, I'll see you tomorrow in the next video.